Alright guys, this time we did another unboxing, and this time is, for the first time ever, it's going to be an Apple product. As you can see, I got a case for it that I bought at Target, and a screen protector I got at Walmart. And this is a 9th generation 10.2 inch iPad. Been waiting about a month to open this thing up. So, let's see what's inside this thing. So this will be the tablet itself, in which I'm going to keep in this plastic. For the time being, I'm going to keep in this plastic. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, there it is. That's what it says. Oh, wow. This is good. Some Apple decals, which I love so much. That's what I'm talking about. So it looks like that's it. That's all that's inside. Just try to hold anything apart. And so there you go. This is an iPad 9th generation. Okay. Alright, well, there it is. Okay, so that is an iPad.